Kim Jong-nam was considered an embarrassment. He lived in
He's an embarrassment. Imagine this. You could lead the country, but you look like a Hoi 4 fucking player. And your dad is like, fuck off, man. Oh my god, you fucking neckbeard.
The next older...
And only this family is the only fat people in this country. This guy looks like a StarCraft pro, man.
As not fit for the job, so that left the youngest son, Kim Jong-un, to take over the throne. Kim Jong-un was brought to power after his father...
It's cool though, it's like Crusader Kings. You choose your greatest son.